Healthcare services to transgender persons. The National Health Authority, NHA, and the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment recently signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MO, for providing holistic health services to transgender persons under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, ABPMJAY. Key points. All the impaneled hospitals of ABPMJAY will provide free treatment to transgenders where special packages will be available. Under ABPMJAY, every eligible person gets a health insurance cover of up to 5 lakh rupees every year. Apart from this, special packages are also being prepared for the transgender category, which will also include special packages like gender reassignment surgery, SRS, and treatment for transgenders. Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a component of the umbrella health scheme, Ayushman Bharat. It was launched in 2018 as the largest health insurance scheme in world to be funded by a government. It was earlier known as the National Health Protection Mission. It covers the expenses for secondary and many tertiary healthcare services. PMJAY scheme would provide poor, deprived rural families, and identified occupational categories of urban workers' families as per the latest socio-economic caste census, SECC, data. Approximately 50 crore beneficiaries, with health benefit cover of Rs 5 lakhs